Hello Fabulous friends, I wanted to introduce you to Yoga Go app. So this is the Yoga Go app, and when you log in, it'll tell you set up your personalization here. We'll walk you through all the areas you want to work on, and then it's going to set up an actual plan for you. So it's going to give you day 1 of your 30-day plan, and that's your goal for the day. You're going to want to work that exercise in, and it's a 15-minute easy yoga. You can also look up the other ones. For example, this one, the Slimmer Face program. There's a ton of series in here. I'm going to show you here those in a minute. And then there's also trending flows. If you were interested in adding more to your exercise, you could go ahead and pick some additional ones like the 7-minute morning workout challenge, shoulder and neck, Pilates, metabolism boost, energize your body, all kinds of different exercise programs that you can put in there, and then you can add it. So I added this Slimmer Face series to my plan, and then you've got chair yoga, morning yoga, sofa yoga, meditation. There's so many options in here, and you just go through and pick the ones you want and allow yourself to just work out at your own pace, but also follow their plan. And their plan, if I were to follow this plan by December, I will be down to my goal weight. So this plus then the diet that we're using and only 15 minutes a day exercise seems like a reasonable commitment to make to get to your goal weight. So we're just going to go ahead and test it out and see what we think. I am looking forward to trying the Slimmer Face program. I've always had a little issue with my jowls, and so I'm looking forward to trying this and seeing if that works as well, and I will keep you posted on that. So let me go ahead and pull up what the actual program looks like for today so that you can actually see the kinds of exercises that they will put in for you, and it'll give you an idea of what is on your plate for that 15-minute, 14-minute total body yoga. Today's particular plan is 24 exercises. It will outline each of the exercises for you, show you a picture of them, how long you're going to be doing each one of those, and you can even screencast to your screen, but you can also just put it on your app and you can watch it right here from your phone. And that is how the Yoga Go app works. We're going to go ahead and try it out for 30 days or 90 days, depending upon how we like it. And we'll give you an update on what we thought of the app and how well it worked. But so far, the complete setup is pretty great. So let's go ahead and see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.